Hi, this is Andy Doctor. I have this camcorder for a little bit more than 3 months. I accidentally put water onto it. It broke, doesn't even power up, but I get my money back from my credit card, including tax. You may say, what, hold on. How could you do that? Well, let me show you. There is a big benefit coming from many credit cards that you should be aware of. Let me get to the computer.
In today's videos, I'm not going to give you any detail of what it is and how to do it. I basically just want to give you a heads up that you can be aware of. And in case you need it, you can use it. Now, let me go straight forward to my claim so you can believe me. This is what I told them exactly. And look, I admit it was my fault. Yes, it was my fault, but they still give me the money, including tax. By the way, this is pre-tax dollar, but they actually add the tax when I receive the refund. The credit card I use happened to be a Chase United Explorer card, and it has a protection up to 120 days, and it's up to $10,000 per claim and $50,000 per year. I was lucky. It was about 105 days approximately when I have the accident. Now, I want to say this. Not every credit card has this, and different credit cards have different terms. For example, Discover card doesn't have it anymore. They get rid of it in 2018. That was part of the reason I get rid of my Discover card too. Let's look at other credit card. For example, let's look at another Chase card. How about Freedom? Because that's one I happen to have, and we just put in purchase protection. And as you can see, you can just Google it. And yes, let's click onto that one and see what we get. Okay, so first of all, we can see here is $500 per claim, not 10,000, 500 only, and it's 50,000 per account. It doesn't say 1 year, so I guess that's the lifetime of the account. So a lot worse benefit. Still pretty good though. And I guess part of the reason is Freedom Card does not have annual fee. The United Card does. It's still 120 days from the date of purchase. Right? Now, I don't work for Chase, so let's look at other company like American Express. Oh, that's not to us. Oh, you know what? Let's come up with American Express purchase protection. So let's hit it and let's click on it. Ooh, like 5,000 credit card have this benefit, I guess. So we can go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. It says $1,000 and not to exceed 50,000 per calendar year. Interesting enough, it doesn't say how long. I'm sure there is a time limit on it, but it doesn't say on this page. So let's forget about it. The point here I'm trying to make is different credit cards are different. So how about let's look at Citicar. I don't have a Citicar anymore, but let's look at it. Okay, I heard about the premium card, so let's check on that one. Well, it's all PDF. Okay, I'm not going to open PDF, but there is a question and answer here. 90 days. So I hope you realize the significant difference out here. Chase card we saw just now, both are 120 days. This is 90 days. If I bought my camcorder with a Citicar, I was out of luck, by the way. It doesn't have a limit on the dollar amount, so maybe unlimited. I do not know. You have to check the agreement in detail. Like I said again just now, this is just a heads up. I'm not going to give you the detail. It will be too much. So hopefully you're happy to learn this benefit. If this is the first time you heard of it, I encourage you to look more detail into it. And let's say just for whatever reason, unfortunately, you damage your new item, check your credit card. agreement. Google it would be the best way to do, by the way. We all threw away the paperwork, didn't we? And call your credit card up. You should be able to find the websites and the telephone number how to do that. And if you prepare to buy something new, well, you might want to plan accordingly. Depends on what it is. You want to use whichever credit card that fits better. For example, it's an expensive one. I guess a Citi card might be better since it appears that there's no limit on it. Again, I do not know for sure. I don't have a Citi card. Okay, and this is not the detailed agreement. If you worry about a longer protections, then 120 days is obviously better than 90. Anyhow, this is a short video to give you a heads up, and I hope you like this video. Please like it, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. I will make more videos in the future, including another really important benefit of credit card, which is extended warranty protection. I have used it multiple times, and fantastic. Actually, I used this purchase protection for the first time, and it was really smooth. I only need to upload document online to the website, and like I said, you can find the website easily just by Googling. Okay, no problem about that. If you say, why do they do this? Why do credit card give out free money? Well, come on, they don't give you free money. When you use their credit card, whoever accepts your credit card have to give them money, and they use part of the money to buy insurance for us. It does cost us anything extra, but we still pay for it, kind of, don't we? Even we don't pay interest, right? And try not to pay interest on credit card. That's another topic in the future, I guess. Anyhow, I hope you're happy with this discovery of benefits, and I will see you in a future video. Bye-bye.